Start by joining clubs or groups that spark your interest. Whether it's delving into the latest bestseller at a local book club, scoring goals in a community soccer team, or sharing your culinary skills in a cooking class, these groups provide a natural setting for meeting people with similar hobbies. Consider volunteering your time. This not only contributes positively to your new community, but also puts you in touch with individuals who share your altruistic spirit. Whether helping out at a local event or caring for animals at a shelter, these activities can forge strong bonds among participants. Make the most of local events, stroll through bustling farmers markets, revel in the vibrant atmosphere of city festivals, or enjoy live performances at nearby venues. These gatherings are perfect for casual interactions that could lead to lasting friendships. In our digital age, don't overlook the power of social apps and websites. Platforms like Meetup and Bumble BFF are designed to connect you with local groups or individuals who are also seeking new friendships. These tools can be particularly useful for coordinating group activities or finding others with niche interests. Taking classes is another wonderful way to meet people. Whether it's mastering the art of French cooking, throwing pottery, or learning a new language, these classes offer a dual benefit. You gain a new skill while interacting with fellow enthusiasts. Don't forget the simple act of exploring social hangouts. Frequent visits to a neighborhood coffee shop, relaxing in city parks, or joining in trivia nights at a local pub can help you become a familiar face in the community, paving the way for new connections. Lastly, if you have a dog, use that to your advantage. Dog parks and organized dog walking groups are excellent places for pet owners to meet and bond over their furry friends. In summary, making friends in a new city involves putting yourself out there and engaging in activities that both interest you and involve other people. Join clubs, volunteer, attend events, leverage social apps, take classes, explore local hangouts, and if applicable, involve your pet. With a friendly approach and openness to new experiences, you'll find that building a new social network can be an enjoyable and rewarding process. So, take that first step today and start weaving your way into the fabric of your new community.